Hi, welcome back to another video. So this video was recorded a couple weeks ago and we wanted to share with you guys. So we ended up took my parents-in-law to Diwali here in downtown San Antonio. Hope you like this video. Here I was showing them a river walk. They wanted to come back so they can experience the river walk. They do have a little boat where you can cruise around downtown San Antonio. So now we are heading to Diwali, guys. This was really great Diwali, I would say, this year.
Kyle, where you going?
We're going to downtown.
Downtown. Can you hold up by your hand? Let's go. What is our pie?
You
can go ahead.
Here, do the video.
I'm doing video too. Okay, you do video. Hey guys, ready?
Alright guys, so this year I like the way they plan all the decorations, music, food. Everything was well organized. As you guys can see, there is a music here. They did have a DJ right now and the DJ was playing music. This was really new. Last year it was not like that. This was really great. Open floor for everybody to enjoy. And then to the other side, they had a music of each culture. You know, everybody is dancing and singing. It was really great. There was a lot of people. This was really good event to attend actually. So when you're in San Antonio or any other city, just keep an eye on this event. Diwali comes every year. It's really free. All you have to do is just buy food and you enjoy the rest of the event.
Yeah, and you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Hey, I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, baby if you make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today owana odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hotepe oh yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my.
Yeah, we are trying to represent 5 elements of nature.
Oh, wow.
We represent Indian Association of San Antonio. Okay. We have highlighted here the theme nature. So we wanted
இது ராக்கெட் ஓ அது அங்கிட்டு போயிட்டு அது கூட போயிட்டு ஓகே
Yeah, you bring the energy that I need to charge my life.
எல்லாம் ஹாப்பி தீபாவளி சொல்லுங்க.
Happy Diwali.
function, Diwali festival. Bring my parents, you know, we're just celebrating, walking around, getting some food. Thank you everyone. If you guys like this video, guys, please like and share. We'll see you guys in next video. Bye bye. Happy Diwali.
Me like it. How you call my name up?